We are in AIR-LYNX Labs today, and the goal is to present today the application which is working on our system. So this is called CALM, which is a client on AIR-LYNX mobiles. This client is providing all the service for mission critical services, typically PTT, video, data, send of file and messaging, and geolocation, and individual voice indeed. This is running here in this set of demonstration on 3 mobiles. We have different kind of mobiles, and in front of it you have the 4G system. So on this 4G system, present briefly, in this compact system, less than 35 kilos, you have complete set of server with disk. You have the EPC and one inode B. This inode B, here you have the digital part, VRF and the antenna outside indeed, and you can support MIMO 1.4 to 20 megahertz. You can support FDD, TDD and different bands with power up to twice 20 watts. Now we are presenting you the application. So you have a set of 3 mobiles. Just start with the beginning. So here you have an application. You need first to authentify. So join the network, and you see that you arrive in the main menu. This menu has basically, in a very simple interface, all this set of services. So MCPTT, I will come back afterward on it. Location of the different mobile with zoom and zoom, video, individual calls, and messaging. Let's start with the application PTT. With MCPTT we have 2 main possibilities. The very first one is we have 2 groups. This user has been configured in supervision group. He is able to talk, hello, 1, 2, 3, and all the users which are listening on supervision group are able to listen. Second possibility is to scan an existing group. That means I'm putting a second group, let's say support, and I'm putting that user also in support. When I'm speaking in supervision group, hello, this one is scanning this group, and if this one is speaking, I'm receiving in the second group. So this is for the PTT. Now moving on to location. Location in fact presents to you on a map the possibility to zoom in, zoom out. Indeed, here all the users are very near one with the other. But what you can see is the yellow one is myself, and the user of my group are located in purple. In addition, we'll see that for video, if a video is sent, we can see the user in red. So moving on now. Now let's move on to everybody in supervision group. Let's move on to video. Video, so we have this capacity. So I'm able to capture the video, meaning I'm setting up the video. Here we receive video on this one, and as you can see, this one, if I'm putting in the group, he's doing a late entry in the group and is able to receive the video. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3, the delay is very short. You can stop the capture of the video, and this mobile are moving on. Just one thing to notice, if I'm doing a capture, indeed I'm able to speak at the same time. Let's move on. We have individual call. So individual call, I'm able to choose in a diary the user. So let's move on. I'm asking to Paul Verlaine, calling him. This one is receiving the call, and I'm speaking with Théophile Gauthier. Stopping the call. Now moving on to messaging. Messaging has several capacities. First one, I'm able to send a group SDS, so I'm able to type a text, trial, and sending to the group. As you can see, both mobile are receiving it, and they receive a message from supervision here and here. Okay? I'm able now to send individual message to each user. I can send to one user a specific message, QWERTY for example, and I'm receiving on this mobile also. I can also capture with a video, with a picture, so I can take a picture of the bubble, accept it, I'm shooting it to the group with additional message, and this message arrives on the other mobiles. As you can see, we can ask for seeing on the mobile the image which has been sent. We can send any file, we can even send a video. So I can select a file. Typically here I have MMS, I'm choosing that one. I'm sending it video MMS. And I send it. It's arriving here, as you can see. And oops, here it is. So we are able to also read the video in different mode. Moving back to the PTT, now the last application you can find is emergency call. By pushing this emergency, a few seconds, I'm able to shoot emergency to those ones. And what can be noticed, if I'm speaking here, you have no listening at this side. Cutting it, here it is. We have also the way to configure everything about the volume. We can configure a set also of parameters like gain of the microphone, update of the location period, PTT button. We can configure different buttons on the system. We can also have external buttons, and we have the possibility indeed to support eMBMS even in 3 or 5 MHz with this system for video and PTT. So here is the application CALM. I expect this will be fun for you to use it. Thank you.